Hey everyone, how's it going today? Hope everyone's having a fantastic Friday. The weekend is already here. Of course, for me, I'm retired, so the weekend is every day. So, we're here at Why? Why are we here? Well, I'm sure really why we are here. I ordered a particular from these guys, and I have ordered one before, and they do an excellent job aging and making your pickup for you the way you want it. So the pickup I came from these guys, I get this menu to come up with. There we go. Now we're going to go to not humbuckers, but we're going to go to single coil. I'll pass it up there. Single coils. Now if we scroll down, we're going to see a lot of different ones. Oh, maybe not a lot. Just all the pickups. But the one I got is this 1979 Los Lunas. And this is the reason. This is the pickup that I picked up. No pun intended. From Riot Pickups. Um, and it just arrived today, and I have it sitting over on my workbench. We're going to go over and we're going to take a look at what kind of job the guys at Riot did on this particular pickup. Alright, so let's jump on over and we're going to look at it now. Okay, so here we are over at my little workstation and we have a box here. And what might you say is in that box? Oh, I'm going to show you what's in that box right now. I'm going to grab my little handy dandy knife here, and we're going to slice this sucker open without cutting my fingers, and we're going to see what is inside this box. I've been waiting on this for a while. During the tariff and stuff like that, because this came from Canada. So, during all this tariff crap that's going on right now, I had to wait a pretty good while for this. So, let me see if it. Now, I'm going to be going on the almost the same motif as the other guitar that I assembled. So, we're going to take this out of the box. And here we have it. Pariah. These guys are fantastic. You're looking for a pickup, no matter what kind of pickup you're looking for, whether it be a humbucker, a single coil, the actual working Los Lunas, or the dummy Los Lunas, and for aging and stuff like that, they are pretty well matched. Yeah, no, that's what she said. So, hey, what do you get? You get a you love what you want sticker. You get the Pariah sticker, 2 screws to mount your pickup, and here we have it. Let me take the foam out so you can get a better look at it. This is the Los Lunas pickup. Now, if you can tell me why they call it the Los Lunas pickup, you win. Well, just the right answer, you win. They do a hell of a job. They even write Los Lunas on the bottom, and I don't know, I think maybe this is the guy who made it. And then there's something else up here. I can't tell what it says. I guess this has new right there. But these guys, I might brush it up a little bit more with maybe some light sandpaper or stuff like that, give it a little bit more aging. But these guys hit it right on the nose with the Los Lunas. And that's going to fit right in here. Just like that. If you can see that. Oh. That's a really nice pickup. I like these pickups for the functionality. I mean, there's no real functionality to it, but aesthetics. It looks a little newer. That's why I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna scratch up a little bit with some maybe 220 sandpaper or something like that. But very nice. These guys do a hell of a bang up job. Now to go with that, it's apparently, like I said, that I'm going for about the same motif as the previous guitar that I built. And the previous guitar I used it was a Frankenstrat pickup, but it was for the red, white, black going forward. The older ones, the original one, was the classic one. And this is the one that I got from Seymour Duncan. Like the other one that let's see if I can get that focused in, that I ordered from them. And this is it's called the Frankenstrat Classic from the black and white version. Now they do, for the money, they do an excellent job. The lady who makes these particular pickups does a bang up job. She's been doing it for Seymour Duncan for about over 30 years. Really nice. There's the back. Very nice pickup. The front of the box. You can see that. Front of the box. Seymour Duncan Custom Shop. The lady goes by MJ. So if you ever get a pickup from Seymour Duncan, that's going to be one by MJ. Very good. Customer service is right on the spot. They're very nice people, very easy to work with. So there you have it. The Frankenstrat Classic pickup during the white and black days. And the dummy Los Lunas pickup from the red, white, and black days. Very nice. Well, that's it. That's about it. So we got Classic. We got the Los Lunas. Going this particular guitar You guys have a good one. Take care. Have a great weekend. And we'll see you in the next one. Okay? Bye.